Hi, this is Takeshi Yashima. Welcome to formula4prosperity.com. So today's topic is mindset tip. What is easy to do is also easy not to do. All right. So when you hear about this, topic, I think you probably know what you're talking about. Some of the people, right? So at first, I'm gonna talk a little bit about like wealth building. Okay, so I've been seeing hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people actually coming into my business, and then some of the people can be making want to make extra money, right? On top of what they're currently making. Some of the people have a bigger dream, like want to quit the job, maybe retire the parents, and then some of the people is achieve the financial independence for themselves, right? So there's a lot of big have people coming in with a big goal and ambition, but many of them will gonna disappear in the middle, right? In the middle or in the beginning, or you know what I'm talking about, right? So why it's like why they have a bigger goal, and then why most people gonna be gone. Okay, so in my experiences, it's nothing to do with skill set. Okay, it's nothing to do with it. Most people have a lack of mindset. That's the problem. Okay, so what I mean by this. Okay, so mindset can be commitment. Mindset can be discipline. Mindset can be like convictions. Mindset can be all those like it's so those things, right? So in my business, I always share this to new associates, new team member, that three things that I did right to build my businesses, right? Because I'm from Japan, right? I have a weird accent, and I'm nothing special, okay? No really special kind of person, but I did three things right. So I always share this, in hope of they are doing the same thing, so that they can get what I have at least. Right, so those three things this is this. Okay, if in my businesses, if you want to create success, right, in certain success, right, if you do these three things in consistent and extended period of time, pretty much they will create some success. Okay, so number one thing is come to the meeting, right? Come to the training consistently, without interruption. Always come to the meeting, right? So in my office there is a twice a week classes at least training. So never ever miss that. That's the first thing, right? The second thing is always attend the business building event. Right, they not on top of there is some two times a week classes. There is a business building event because we are in the businesses. We need to learn a skill, right? So attend those meetings, never miss it. And then the number three is attending the qualify for some of the qualification events or training, or even trips and all those things, right? Always qualify for this, right? Maybe number three, maybe have a little bit of the, maybe skill set needed. But do you think, those three things is, does it require, special skill set, special abilities? No, right? This is, as long as they have, is it doable? Right? If they really want it, can they do it? Probably, because it's the only thing they need to do, just show up, right? I'm not asking about you have to have a legal skills or legal knowledge or CPA knowledge, or rocket science. No, I'm not saying that. Just pretty much three things that I say is just pretty much show up, right? So anybody can do it. Don't you think so? Right? But I would say 95% of people violate this. That's the reason why most people not gonna create success. Okay, 95%. This is like, some of the people making excuse that, like, you cannot believe, right? Like saying like that, oh, I have a case, so, I cannot come to the meeting this time, or because I'm so busy with my job, so I cannot come to the meeting, right? Or because I don't have money. Yeah, so that's the reason why I cannot attend this event. Right, so you will see a lot of people like it's saying like this, right? And again, it's very simple to do. Okay, it's very simple. It's very easy to do, right? It's not require any of the skill set. But a lot of people violate this rule. You know what's happened to them? Most people, they started to be frustrated with the lack of the result that they will receive, right? And then they not following, not following this even more, right? And eventually they will disappear, right? That's what the most people. Right? It's not only this business, but also other businesses and other investment or all those endeavor as well, right? So the Jim Rohn, right? He is a foremost philosopher and one of the most respectable guy in the business world. He said that success is easy. Okay, success is progressive and just step-by-step process of doing the easy things consistently, right? But the problem is easy things to do is what easy to do is also easy not to, right? So most people choose not to do the easy things every single day consistently over time to create a massive success. Most people don't do that. That's the reason why most people could not create success. Success and it's pretty common sense, right? Only things we need to do is just doing the everyday things like simple and step-by-step process every single day for the consistent and extended period of time. Right? If you can keep doing that, you will create some kind of success. Okay, some kind of success. Okay, but most people don't do that, right? So all those people that I've been seeing success, they are doing those simple and easy actions every single day for let's say 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, right? 10 years, 15 years. Right, so they are always focusing on the fundamentals. For me, I'm in the business around 1.5 years. I'm doing this every single day, easy things, easy step by step. I do it every single day and consistently, right? So that's the reason why I have some kind of success, right? And then if I keep doing the easy things, another 5 years, yeah, I will even create more success. But the problem is most people not gonna do a consistent enough, right? Very sporadic, right? So that's the reason why most people not gonna achieve success. Okay, so but once you actually realize this, once you start to work on it for the consistent period of time, you will create some success. You will find some kind of success. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, if you can share this video with social media and like Facebook, I will be appreciated. Okay, and then and then if you so today is Friday, it's going to be weekend, right? So have a great weekend everyone, and I will talk to you on the next video. Okay, bye bye.